Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Apache Spark on Windows for big data processing, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Apache Spark on Windows for big data processing, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type Apache Spark download and hit enter. Navigate to the official Apache Spark download page. Look for the most recent stable version listed on the site. Select that version by clicking on the corresponding link. You will be directed to a new page that presents various download options. Choose the pre-built for Apache Hadoop package suitable for your needs. Select the version that corresponds with the Hadoop version you have or plan to use. Once you click the download link, the file will start downloading automatically. While the file downloads, visit the Apache Spark documentation page for further instructions. Next, locate the downloaded file in your default downloads folder. Extract the contents of the downloaded zip file using a file extraction tool like WinRAR or 7-zip. Choose a convenient location, such as C:\spark, for the extracted files. Next, navigate to the directory where you extracted Apache Spark. Locate the bin folder within the Spark directory. Make note of this folder's path, as it will be needed later. Now, open the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. Under System Variables, find and select the path variable, then click Edit. In the Edit Environment Variable window, click New. Click OK to close each dialog box and save your changes. Next, verify that Java is installed on your computer. Open a command prompt by searching for CMD in the Start menu. In the command prompt, type Java version and press Enter. If Java is installed, you will see its version details displayed. If not, visit the official Oracle website to download and install the Java Development Kit. Once Java is installed, return to the command prompt. You will also need to set the Spark_home environment variable. In the Environment Variables window, click New under System Variables. Enter Spark_home as the variable name and the path to your Apache Spark directory as the value. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.